Forget magnesium supplements. Take nighttime vitamins to rebuild muscle while you sleep. Even if you train every day for the next 100 days, consume protein, and continue taking your usual supplements, you still won't gain much muscle if you skip 2 crucial vitamins before bed. As we age, this becomes even more critical. You've likely heard that magnesium is essential for muscle development, right? But what if I told you that isn't completely accurate? Skip the magnesium capsules. In just a moment, I'll show you the 2 vitamins you should take before sleeping to help muscles regenerate during the night. These 2 act faster and more effectively than magnesium ever will. Here's the reason. Your body performs roughly 70% of muscle recovery and growth while you're asleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. I'm going to begin with the second most effective nighttime nutrient because it's easier to locate. After that, I'll reveal the #1 powerhouse that most people ignore. I'll also mention 3 supplements you should avoid taking at night if you want maximum recovery and muscle growth while sleeping. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. Vitamin D3 before bed. The first nighttime vitamin is vitamin D3. When you take vitamin D3 before sleeping, something remarkable happens as you rest. Vitamin D activates unique receptors in your muscle tissue called VDRs. These receptors instruct your muscles to absorb more calcium and phosphorus from your meals throughout the day. Your body requires these minerals to help muscle fibers contract and get stronger. Taking vitamin D at night also supports healthy testosterone production during sleep. That hormone is what enables your muscles to use dietary protein to create new muscle tissue overnight. Without enough vitamin D, this rebuilding process can drop by nearly 60%. Vitamin D additionally lowers muscle inflammation as you rest, helping you recover quicker from training and preventing breakdown that appears with aging. Most vitamin D3 products contain 2,000 to 4,000 IU per softgel. That's nearly 10 times more than many seniors get from sunlight in an entire week. One Harvard study followed 400 older adults with low vitamin D for 8 months. Those who took daily vitamin D3 gained around 2.8 lbs of muscle, while the group without it only added 0.4 lb. Even centuries ago, people recognized its value. Viking soldiers relied on cod liver oil through dark winters to maintain strength when sunlight was scarce. Taking vitamin D3 is easy. Have 2,000–4,000 IU together with your evening meal, preferably one that contains healthy fats to boost absorption. You can also raise levels naturally. Grill 4 ounces of salmon with herbs. That small serving delivers more vitamin D than most individuals get weekly. Roast mushrooms with rosemary until crisp and pair with mashed sweet potatoes topped with grass-fed butter to absorb even more. A simple trick: blend cod liver oil into homemade salad dressing. You'll barely notice the flavor, but your muscles benefit all night. Finish your meal with a glass of fortified milk before bedtime. Altogether, this dinner provides more than 500 IU of vitamin D, along with healthy fats. Exactly what your muscles require to rebuild during the night. However, vitamin D3 alone can't deliver full benefits. To achieve the best results, you must combine it with one more nutrient. If you only take vitamin D at night, you won't get all the advantages unless you add the next supplement. When both work together, your muscles get the strongest opportunity to grow and recover while you sleep. Zinc. The second key supplement is zinc. During your deepest sleep cycles, your body releases growth hormones. What most people don't realize is that these hormones need zinc to operate correctly. Zinc helps regulate more than 300 enzymes that rebuild and repair muscle tissue during the night. When your zinc levels are sufficient, those enzymes remain active for 6 to 8 hours nonstop. But if you're deficient in zinc, a problem affecting nearly 40% of older adults, your muscle restoration slows by up to 60% each night. Zinc also transports amino acids directly into muscle cells while you sleep, where they combine to form new fibers. This is why individuals with healthy zinc levels wake up less sore and bounce back faster, while those lacking zinc often feel stiff and tired. Most zinc capsules provide 15 to 30 mg of highly absorbable zinc, nearly triple what many seniors obtain from diet alone. Here's the shocking part. Even though zinc deficiency is widespread worldwide, most physicians never check for it. Low zinc delays healing, reduces testosterone, and prevents muscles from using the protein you eat. That's why some older adults consume enough protein yet still cannot gain muscle. A University of Michigan study observed 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. Participants who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily increased muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster after workouts. Researchers discovered that zinc actually activates genetic switches responsible for muscle repair and growth. Even ancient cultures understood its benefits. Egyptian healers used zinc-rich remedies more than 4,000 years ago to restore warriors' strength after battle. For ideal absorption today, take your zinc supplement with a full glass of water, preferably 2 hours before going to sleep. Supplements you should skip at night. Even though nutrients like vitamin D3 and zinc are fantastic for boosting muscle repair while you sleep, there are a few supplements that should not be taken late in the evening. They can actually interfere with your body's overnight recovery. I'm going to show you 3 of the most common ones. And chances are, you've probably taken at least one of them at night without knowing the harm. 1. B vitamin complex. This one may seem surprising at first. B vitamins are widely promoted for supporting energy levels, nerve function, and metabolism. Many seniors take them daily believing they'll fight tiredness. But here's the problem. Taking B vitamins during the wrong part of the day, especially close to bedtime, can quietly sabotage your muscle-building progress. A B complex supplement includes nutrients such as B6, B12, riboflavin, and niacin that stimulate your nervous system. They slightly increase metabolism, elevate heart rate, and make you feel awake and alert. Perfect for mornings. A disaster for nights. Remember, muscles don't grow in the gym or while eating dinner. Growth happens during deep sleep, when your body releases growth hormones, fixes microscopic muscle tears, and converts dietary protein into stronger tissue. If your nerves are still activated by B vitamins, you may not spend enough time in slow-wave sleep, the phase that matters most for rebuilding. A 2019 study published in Sleep Medicine found that older adults who took B vitamins in the evening experienced reduced melatonin, delayed deep sleep, and fewer minutes of restoration. They simply missed the optimal muscle repair window. Plus, B vitamins taken later in the day can raise cortisol, the stress hormone, which disrupts sleep and may even lead to muscle breakdown. Simple rule: take your B vitamins with breakfast. Let them energize your day so your body can fully recover at night. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is well known for supporting immunity, skin, and tissue healing, all good things. But when you take it matters a lot. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant. Sounds perfect, right? However, during sleep, your muscles actually need a tiny bit of oxidative stress to trigger growth and repair. This slight stress signals your body to release growth hormones and rebuild damaged fibers. If you take large doses of vitamin C close to bedtime, you reduce this signal, slowing the entire recovery process. Research shows that high antioxidant intake at night weakens the body's ability to activate the mTOR pathway, the main mechanism for muscle growth. In simple terms, your muscles don't get the message. Vitamin C also raises norepinephrine, a brain chemical that keeps you awake and alert. Many older people notice poor sleep quality when they take vitamin C at night, including less deep, slow-wave sleep, the exact period where muscle repair peaks. 3. Caffeine. Most people associate caffeine with their morning brew, but it hides in pre-workout powders and even some daily vitamins. A little caffeine early in the day helps you concentrate, but consuming it too late can ruin your recovery. Caffeine stimulates your brain and bumps up cortisol levels. At night, that's a major issue. Cortisol interferes with the rebuilding of muscle fibers and can keep you wired when you should be winding down. Caffeine also blocks adenosine, the chemical that signals your brain when it's time to sleep, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the depth of your rest. Older adults already struggle to enter deep sleep as frequently, and that is exactly when muscle repair takes place. A 2020 report in Nutritional Neuroscience looked at 160 older participants. Those who had caffeine within 6 hours of sleeping lost 28% more muscle compared to those who avoided it, even though they both consumed equal protein. If you want your protein and collagen to actually rebuild muscle overnight, keep caffeine only in the morning. That means no coffee, tea, or caffeinated supplements later in the day. The same rule applies to B-complex and vitamin C. They are beneficial, but only when taken earlier. During your evening routine, stick to nutrients like D3 and zinc to maximize overnight muscle recovery. Which of these were you unknowingly taking at night? Share your story in the comments. I read every one, and I'm genuinely curious how this has affected your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thanks for being here. See you in the next one.